Hey everybody, anybody in here? Let's get started. Hey, I see some of you waiting. What's up, Shadow? What's going on, Mr. PhD? You guys there? Sorry I came in a little late, a few minutes late here. Excuse me. Okay, can you guys hear me? What's going on? Stream series. Let's get started with this. Okay, so what's happening here? Is the music too loud? What's going on? Hope you all doing great. Today is all about Unity again. We're gonna be working with Unity. I'm gonna not have this open. I'm gonna have my book open here like I did. What's up, man? I have missed you, Mr. PhD. I have missed you a lot. You haven't been in for a while, or I haven't streamed for a while. I did a short stream earlier, but I'm not sure if you were in there. I'm gonna start the chat on my phone, I think. Sorry guys, I'm gonna start it on my phone so I can see you guys. I got so many devices. I have like 10 devices going here. Hold on. YouTube. And then we're gonna turn off the volume. And we're gonna do... Is the music too loud, guys? How you guys doing? Hey, what's up? LOL, my man Shadow. What's going on, bro? How are you doing? Oh man, let me just do this solo. There we go. Let me have it like this. Let me talk to you guys. Cool, bro. Mr. PhD, where have you been? Have you been chilling at home? How are things, man? You do anything fun the last like month that we haven't had a stream? Let's see if I can put you guys on here. Oh, I just had it. I messed it up. Taking a break. What's up? Oh, there were. Oh, did I get? Is this the chat? I'm sorry, guys. Hold on. I thought I had the chat open here. What? But it just like went away. Hold on. Desktop. There we go. Okay. Yeah, sadly, I don't work on any projects, but I saw you put up some kind of game project, bro. I'll have you down here. That's why I'm looking down. I'll have you down here. All right. Taking a break from Unity. Watch you program in Unity. Nice. You know, your brain cells are gonna die, bro. You're not gonna. You're gonna de-learn stuff if you watch me working in this. But I'm glad to have you guys here. How long this stream will be? It will be 2 hours about 2 hours. Then I gotta go do something, but pretty much 2 hours. And I'm looking at you guys down here. That's why I have my phone down here. I can't really put it anywhere else, or can I? No, you know, I'll keep it down there just so you know. Okay, fine. We'll allow it. We'll open this up and we'll see where I was, because we were doing some fun stuff. No, what? Yo, what's up, Vishal? What's going on, man? Where was I? Did I get the... Oh, I got the animations to work. Look at this, Shadow. Look at this. Look at this. This is beautiful. This is amazing. But what I want to do is I want to do this. I have too much. Can you hear me fine? Is the music too loud, by the way? Are you guys all right? What are you guys saying? Let me know if the music is too loud or if it's too low, because I'd love for you guys to have some background music. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open my player object. Also, I figured out how to save. I don't know if you guys were in last time, but I had a lot of trouble saving the actual what do you call it? Instance. No, that's not an instance though. This should be a prefab. Hold on. Why did I name it like that? Prefab. Let's call it prefab. The prefab with the changes I did to the game object, you know. But you did that over here in the new one. I guess you know that, Shadow. Nice, man. Look at that. I see you getting. Thanks, bro. Thank you. Thanks. I am trying. Thanks to you, the new course. If I finish that, when I do finish that, because I bought it, I'm probably gonna have a little more proficiency in that. What I'm gonna do though is I'm gonna go to the package manager, man, and I want to know something, Shadow. I want to know if you have worked with this before. Universal. I want to do all packages though. Where is that universal rendering thing? The universal rendering pipeline. Is there a way to get that here? 2D pixel perfect, 2D animation. I do have that. Oh, it just loaded. Universal RP. Here we go. Have you worked with this, Shadow? I'm gonna install it because this seems to be a really cool like rendering pipeline. So I'm gonna try that out. Guys, is Go.C# scripting same with the Unity C#? I mean, both of them use mono behavior. Oh man, you're not a noob. And welcome, Novigrad. Welcome. I have you down here in the chat, so I'm looking down here. I'm not sure, man. Shadow, do you know? I think if it's C#, the language is the same, obviously, but the way you code things. I mean, obviously, you're gonna maybe it's not called get component and stuff like that, but you're right, it's mono behaviors. If it's the same, then maybe it's built on the same base. I guess you'll see if you work as we work in here. If you see any difference, you know, then you will know. But I was thinking of learning Godot. Actually, it would have been fun. I think they're different. Yeah, most probably. Music is fine and we can hear you pretty well. Okay, thanks, bro. Thank you. How you doing, man? How you guys doing? Let me know what you guys have been doing past week. You guys done anything fun? Anything interesting? I've just been laying around. I've just been chilling. Of course, man. Thanks to Shadow as well. Yeet. What's up, man? Holographic squid. What's going on, bro? Yeet on YouTube. It's kind of an internal joke for me and Vishal. The yeet right there. Let me hear a yeet, Vishal. Let me put on a yeet for the stream. Are you good? I'm good. I'm good now. Thank you. Okay, so we downloaded that, but we're not gonna use it yet. I want to fix something in my sprite. So where we were, this is actually an interesting thing. I'm gonna edit this now. The script here. Check here, Novigrad, if you see any difference, because nice. Check here if you see any difference. This is the Unity script. I guess you could Google that too, and you'd get an answer on that. So, okay, we had the char states, forward, left, right, back. What I did wrong was I had the walk. Hold on. I think walk back, I want to put it here, because the order in this kind of matters. What did I just do, guys? Why does this look so trash? I think I changed some variables in my options. Hold on. Tools, options, environment, text editor, all languages, tabs. Okay, so I did change it. So it hasn't really changed to that yet. But what I did was I did block indenting and this. I'll do keep tabs actually. Yeah, that's why you're gonna see some weird stuff. But I think if I run this now, it's gonna be a nice animation. This is gonna be a well-spent night. I hope so, man. Why is that not prioritizing like I wanted to? Look, it's prioritizing the up and down. Hold on, I think I did it wrong again. Did I? How? Why? What am I doing wrong? I don't want it to prioritize. I wanted to prioritize these two. I don't know. I don't know if that's gonna work. Hold on, I'm just gonna do some ugly hacks fixing here. I wonder if that's gonna work. I wonder if that works. Yeah, I wanted to prioritize the left and right, not not the up and down. See, that makes more sense to me. If you're walking in this position, if you're walking up and down, that animation doesn't play. I like that. Okay, that's fine. It does look ugly though, but we will prioritize it like that. Hold on, let me fix this. I know it's ugly. There we go. Nice, guys and girls. Nice. Look at that. Beautiful. So I have left, right, forward, back. Let me order these properly. Left. Ooh, this is gonna be a lot of work, but I want to order them. I really do want to. Or do I? Maybe I don't. You know what? I don't want to spend that time on all that. We'll leave it. Yeah, we'll leave it. Okay, never mind. So we have our game here. Looking nice. Let us keep moving. So what is the next thing that they want us to do? I think we are getting to the camera. Animation state 1 equals. Yeah, we did all that. Walk east, south, north. We did that. Set integer. So yeah, we did that as well. Let's see the tip. If you forgot the exact parameters for a method in C#, which is show you a helpful pop-up with this information. Oh yeah, I didn't install the Unity thing in this. Gotta do that. Thought I have to wait another week or so. Nope, man. Nope. I'm gonna have some time this weekend as well. So we're gonna do another stream. Let's get to this, guys. Let us add something to. Do you guys know where to add this? Edit. Tool extensions. Manage extensions. GitHub extension for. Ooh. Yes. I want to try that. C++ code made. Okay, is an open source Visual Studio extension. A lot of people like that. Okay, we're not gonna get. I get so distracted with these things. Let's search. Let's search here. Unity. Let's find Unity. Hello, Microsoft. Well, why is it not there? Huh? Huh? Most relevant. There's gotta be a Unity thing. Let's close this. Let's open Visual Studio Installer. I don't know what I did. Yeah. Okay, fine. Do that first. What is this? Code made rules. Okay, resharpers. Yeah, I gotta try that stuff out, man. I don't know. I didn't know code made was cool. You guys gotta help me out. What's up, Architector? Hell, my man. Hell for real. How are you doing? Hope you're doing great. Thank you for joining, guys. You're so nice. What are you guys doing in here? Cloud administrator. It's really expensive. What is expensive? Am I new? Oh, resharper. Is that expensive? Interesting. Why is that not? Hold on. Let me just install this. This is going to hell, guys. Honestly. Installing GitHub. Do I have that open or something? I'm not sure. Finishing up. Okay. Hurry up. I'll just have my coffee. Yeah, we're gonna do the whole thing. I don't think Visual Studio Installer bugs with that. Okay, there we go. So now I have GitHub extension installed, which was totally not what we're gonna do. Anyway, community. I have enterprise from my. Why am I using community when I have enterprise and professional? Am I dumb? Whatever. We'll rock this. Okay, what's up, my man Shadow? Where do I do this? Game development with Unity. Look at that. Powered by Unreal and Cocos 2D. Okay, I'm not gonna touch that. I'm just gonna do this. What I would like though is data storage. I would love to work with this, but okay, you know what? I'm gonna do it just because it's fun. C drive. What? Why? Oh, so some part of this has to go into the C drive. Ooh, we don't like that. Ooh, I really don't like that. Ooh, man. If I remove some of this, maybe I'll get some more mobile development. I'm not using this anyway. If I ever use it, I'll install it. Desktop development with C++. Sure. Okay, we'll keep that. Sorry, guys. Install while downloading. Yes, when you close VS, it installs your extensions. Oh, nice, man. Okay. How come you know all this, man? It's crazy. You always do experimentations and all this. You can press return to autocomplete method. Okay, so then we'll be able to autocomplete stuff. That's what I want to be able to do. Modify. Sorry. So we'll let this work. It won't take too long, I think. I have pretty good internet. Okay, that was pretty fast. All right, 1 gig in like so fast. Yeah. Big files. This might take long. So what can I do here? Hold on. What can I do? Can I keep working? I can do core knowledge. Summary, we covered some design philosophy. Sure. We don't have to. Let's go to the next point, the world building point. Now we have done all kinds of character building stuff, and let's see. 2-dimensional worlds are often created by placing a series of tiles together to paint a background, then placing other tiles on top of that background to create the illusion of depth. So they're all sprites that are also sliced, okay, and you create a tile palette using these sliced sprites. So we'll create like a palette that we can choose from and then draw on the background. So if I go to my scene, hopefully we can see we can see the tile size here, okay. Multiple layers, that's good, that's fine. Let me just see if my player object has a sprite renderer. It's in the layer blocked, and it's in the sorting layer characters, and so is the enemy. Also in the blocker layer, okay. So with the Tilemap Features, this is a new feature in Unity, obviously. It looks like I've been playing with VS for years now. Yeah. Oh yeah, I remember you talked about it at some point. Yeah, well, like way back. That's good, then you're experienced. Ubuntu 20.08 looks dope AF. Damn, I didn't know. I did not know. Is that the one that looks like Mac OS or something? Hold on, let's see. Oh, it's modified. Ooh. Okay. So what happens now, guys? What if I open this? Do I get all kinds of Unity stuff that I can? Sorry about that. That I can do. So if I say, doesn't seem like it found that. Do I have to enable it in the project? Extensions. Manage extensions. Unity. Tools, updates. Huh. Yeah, it's under Linux. Okay, nice, man. Now I gotta check that out. Why is this buggy though? Why is it not showing me the Unity stuff? I'd love to see all that. Project view. Proper tools. Where's tools? Options. Interesting. General text editor. God damn it. Well, I'm gonna have to solve that somehow. You have visual assist. Okay, interesting. Try VS Code. Setting it up would probably have taken less time. Yeah, Ravenin. Thanks, bro. Yeah, oh yeah, you told me to Visual Studio Code. Hold on, guys. I'm sorry. I just want to check this out. This is fun to me. Like that. And then file. It did. Where was that? Terminal. Was that the packet extensions here? Unity. Debugger for Unity. Unity tools. All snippets you need for Unity. Man, there's so much Unity stuff. There was so much Unity stuff, man. This is insane. Unity dot snippets, Unity game dev bundle. Oh my god. This is crazy. I'm guessing it's the debugger. And then tools. And then that. I'm guessing. I don't know. Am I installing a bunch of unnecessary stuff or what? Did I just install lots of unnecessary stuff? I recommend the tools and the snippets. Okay. Nice, because I do like code. And then what do? You go into edit, file, settings. Where's that? Edit, preferences, external tools, external script editor. Okay, so browse. Oh god, you have to browse for that? File extension. Okay, so extensions. Here we go. Default extend. Default, choose what? Okay, choose. So you gotta do this, I think. Hey, what's going on, Richie Kim? How are you doing, man? How are you doing? Okay, so what are these? These are CS files, right? .cpl CS. Okay, CS file, and we're gonna. Come on, man. Why is it like that? This is not what I want to do. Visual Studio Code is what I want. Man, I just want to change that. Ugh. Good lord. There it is. Open file location. Where is that? Code.exe. Okay, G programs code.exe. Copy that. Go into Unity. Preferences. G. Let's paste that here. What about? Did that work? Ooh, it worked. It worked. Visual Studio Code. Now what? Chaz, you need to tell Unity which editor if you don't want to show your files, it's an option OBS to darken the screen. Oh, okay. Interesting. I would have liked that. Okay. So, animate. Oh my god. Animator. Can you do that? Animator. Okay. So it's working. It's working. Nice. Nice, thanks, man. I guess, right? I would like to darken the screen like that. I don't know how to do that. Let's see. Oh, you just DM'd me a link on that? Thanks, bro. Did I do it the right way? Hopefully I did it the right way. Whatever. It's not like I have any super important files anyway. Edit, file, run, terminal, view. Cool. Well, I like this. I'm gonna have to get used to this though, but I think it's nicer to have this. It's a lot more lightweight than Visual Studio, you know? It's a lot easier to just work on this. Do you guys like the dark theme? Accessibility page. Second number of lines editor can be read out on the screen. Okay, sure. Font. Let's go large, guy. 26. Boom. We need to see what's going on. Font weight, normal. Formatting. Format on paste, on save, on type. Max computer mini map, okay. Max column suggestions on, yes. Inline, snippet suggestions. This is incredible. Okay. Cool, guys. Cool. Okay, we'll leave it at that. We're not gonna work too much with this. I mean, this is awesome. But now it looks a little more, you know, a little nicer, I'd say. Maybe a little too large, but that's fine. It seems that way. Cool, man. Okay, let's go to the next part. So tile maps and pallets. In called objects and outdoors. We'll just folder host sprite sheet and slice sprites for outdoor tile map and various objects we'll place in our world. Okay. So it wants me to create new folders. Folder for outdoors. Let's call this. What do I have? I have sprites, textures. I didn't like that my sprites are texture. I don't know why that is, but you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna put it in there. We're gonna call it tiles, tile map related. We'll create a new folder. Outdoors, I guess. Sure, we'll do what the tutorial tells me to do. Outdoors and objects. Okay, good. From the downloaded asset and sprite, drag the sprite sheet and sprite outdoors folder and import. Okay. So it wants me to grab all that stuff. All right, we're gonna have to grab all these things. Let's go to. Let's see, I had another one going. Here we go. Let's go to G projects. Programs, Unity, Hub. Resources. Let's just grab the textures from my current game. Let's do that. Let's go to resources, images, sprites, no, tiles. Let's just grab this whole sheet, right? Why not? Let's put that into outdoors, but it does contain the objects as well. Yeah, I guess that's fine. I would like to see what they want to code in CMD, please. Hold on. The color plugin I told you is called Color Highlight. Okay, so what is that? What does that do? Sorry, what does that do? Color Highlight. Color Highlight. Color Highlight. Highlight web colors something. Okay, that's interesting. Ooh. Oh. Wow. That is such a useful feature. What? That is incredibly useful. That is amazing. Thanks, man. That's cool. Command palette. Oh man, there's so many things you can do. Hold on. Oh man, this is pretty cool. Cool. Alright, good. You want me to code in CMD? Code this game in CMD? Lol. Okay, so I put that in. So now I have a outdoors texture. We want to go in here. I think it should be sprite 2D, multiple, pixels per unit 32. Is that correct though? I mean, they're not 32 big. These are like 64 big. Oof. Okay, we'll see. we'll keep that. Sprite multiple 32 point no filter. Point no filter, that's to get the beautiful stuff. Compression, none. Ensure the default button is selected at the bottom. And set compression to ensure that the default button is selected at the bottom. Oh, default button, okay. And then apply that. So now this is set. Tile sheet. Just call it tile sheet. And then we want to sprite edit this, slice it up, grid by cell size 64 by 64, keep empty rects, padding, pivot. Okay, let's do that. And that sliced it up pretty nicely. Okay. Apply that. So now I have a sliced up sprite. Good. I bet we were supposed to do that. First of all, now I want to slice this project, exactly. Slice button. Okay, so I'm using a 32 per unit, 32 pixel per unit. I don't like that, since these are 64. I'm not 100% sure on that, man. You guys know anything about that, how that works? I mean, I know it's like 64 pixel makes 1 unit. And then it doesn't make sense that we have 64 by 64 tiles. Or does it? It doesn't matter probably. It doesn't matter. Grid and call game object, call tilemap. Okay, you should see a game object. So we're gonna make a new. Now we want to create our tile map. In the hierarchy view, right click and select 2D object tile map. Okay. Right click and create 2D object tile map. Ooh, we have a grid now. And in that we have a tile map. Okay. You see a game object up here called grid with a game object called tile map. This grid object is used to configure the layout of its child tile maps. Okay. With transfer code, just like all game objects in a tile map component, tile map render component. Okay, the tile map component is where you actually paint our object. Tilemap and tilemap renderer. Nice. So if I press grid, can I change the cell size here? So this is in percent. Okay, interesting. Nice. And we're gonna need 2 here, I guess, because we have double the size of our stuff. If I go back to game, scene, yeah. Okay. Interesting. Drink. Very nice. I wish I had a drink. Thanks, bro. Just drank. I don't have any more though, so you can't do that anymore. Unity has some pretty useful stuff for tile maps that for some reason are not included on the default tile map. Okay. You mean packages? So we need to create a tile palette. Window. Oh, so now we dock this here, it says. Now we have a tile palette. Let's create a new tile palette. Under the sprites folder. Hold on, what does it want me to do? It wants me to create tile palette, so that I understand. Okay, I understand we're gonna create a folder here called tile palettes. Tile palettes. This I understand, but now it wants me to. This is basically tile textures then, and then we need to create a new folder called tiles here. Tile textures. I'll just call it tile textures, and then we'll have the tiles. Okay. Hey, what's going on, man? Mr. Chick, hey, bro. How you doing? How you doing? Hope you're doing great. Thank you for joining. Thanks for all that. How about Tiled? You check out in the last stream. Oh yeah, Tiled. Yeah. Tiled. Shadow, you were talking about Tiled as well. I remember that. Yeah, I gotta try that. But this is cool. I guess inbuilt is a good way to learn Unity, I guess. Tile rule automatically places the correct corners or edges depending on where you paint. Okay. Interesting. Now let's see. Before we compare, organize called tiles, sprites in the tiles folder. Tiles. Use the sprite in the sprites folder. Resemble figure. Okay, let's see how they did it. Sprites, objects outdoors, player tiles, object outdoors. Create a new folder in the tiles folder. Sure. Outdoors. Objects. This isn't what I would do though, but sure, we'll follow this. We'll make our own game eventually. Boom, boom. Very nice. Tile palette window, name tile palette outdoor tiles, and leave it. I'll leave the grid and cell size as shown in figure 4.2. Aha, okay. So let's call this outdoor tiles. Depending on where you paint. Oh, I guess my previous comment didn't appear because I put a link for the GitHub. Oh, okay, interesting. I'm sorry, man. Yeah, I don't think it allows links. Thanks for trying though. I don't know how to fix that though, honestly. What is this? Sprite tile textures, sprites. That's not what I want. I want tile palettes. Here, select the folder. There we go. So now we have a new tile palette. Now let's see if we can do... Here we go. We have our tile textures here. I think I am to... What the hell? Oh, wait. No, that wasn't what I was supposed to do. I think I messed up. Hold on. Tile pellets. Now that put everything in there. That's not what I want. That's not what they're telling me to do. They want me to put all of these in here. Is that still gonna work? Yeah, it still works. Okay, nice. All right. So tile palette new, create tile palette game objects, sprite game outdoors. Project view. Tile palette using the outdoor sprite sheet. Cool. So that's what I went a little too fast here. Folder navigate to the sprite tiles, outdoor tiles. Okay, but I moved them there later, so that's cool. Cool. Painting with tile palettes. Nice. Paintbrush tool. Yeah, well, I had that. This is the paintbrush. Cool. I guess we can just go ahead and do a big old, like a huge piece of grass. And then I played around with this a little bit earlier, so that's why I know. How does that look? Oh, that's cool. Look, we have a little grass there and everything. Nice. All right, cool. That looks pretty nice. Tile rule works similarly. If you have used tile rule works similarly. So tile rule, interesting. Let's see. Oh, you mean for the, what do you mean actually? I'm not sure. Tile rule? Maybe I'm confused. You mean with the pixel thingy? What do you call it? Pixels per unit thing or what? Hold on, what is this? Sprite renderer box collider. Oh, we did fix that. Nice. Did I fix the collision though? Oh yeah, that was pretty cool. Nice. Okay. So I would like to edit that again. Just put it. Hold on. Edit the box collider. Put it inside a little bit. That. Oh, it's an add-on. Okay, okay. Oh, okay. Tile rule. Okay. Sorry, man. Tile rule slow. Didn't see that. Okay, it's an add-on. And then I get. I'm just slow today, guys. I'm a little slow. That's good to know. So you gotta get it from GitHub then? That's interesting. Let's do this though. I don't want them to like directly hit, so that feels a little better. Of course, you can do a Polygon Collider for this. It's a box collider, but it doesn't matter. Now, what I want to do is I want to change this to. This is something I learned earlier, I think. I want to change that to kinematic. I don't want to change this to kinematic as well, because they're not gonna fly around. Okay, so we're just gonna. Hopefully, why does that not work? Hold on, kinematic. And this is also kinematic. Can two kinematic things not collide, or what is that? Dynamic. Are they on the same? Continuous. Continuous. What happens then? Okay. Interesting. Dynamic. Maybe you can use Perlin noise. Yeah, I'm definitely planning to do that. There is some ways in that, right? I think there is a way to do that in Unity easily. See how you put those walls, but on the L shape, instead of painting corners, it painted the same wall. Tile rule would have painted corners. Okay. Oh, so it's like that. Okay, like it can do that. Okay. Included in the package manager called Sprite Shape that allows to paint tiles on a Bezier curve and autofills the center. Oh, so you can do like that, and it will just autofill it. Okay. It's called Sprite Shape. Sprite Shape. Sprite shape. 2D sprite shape. Okay. Oh, it's up to date? Okay, it's already included. Interesting. Let's see. They have a workflow and everything. Ooh la la, okay. Huh. Ooh, look at that. That's crazy. Damn. Okay, I'm gonna have to get into this. As soon as this thing is done, I'm gonna get into it. The basic tutorials, basically. So on the basics here, guys. It's good to know what there is out there. So what can we do? Now is a paintbrush. Shift key to use paintbrush as an eraser. Yes. When paintbrush, you can hold down Option Alt on PC, then left mouse button to pan around the tile map. Okay. Left click and drag to select a group of tiles. Yeah, I didn't know that. Okay. Zoom in and out. Nice. Now you've done a little bit of painting. Let's take a closer look. The tile palette. Yeah, all of these things I know. So building. So now we're gonna objects the objects. Okay, let's see if we can do an objects thing. I want don't I have that somewhere? Let me think, guys. Doodads. Hold on. I think I know. Tiles. This is that tiles folder. This is all my stuff. If I go in here and I say open or show in Explorer, projects, personal 2D, library, assets, textures, enemies, tiles, objects. Okay, here we have a few objects just for testing purposes. So I could do that. I could put that into objects here, objects. Oh, that's outdoors. Hold on. That is outdoors. Objects would be, but this is objects, right? No, that is objects. My bad. Objects. Outdoors objects. Fine, we'll keep it. Then we're gonna splice this. Sprite editor. Before we do that, hold on. Multiple 32 mesh type. No point. None. Apply. And then we're gonna slice this baby up. 32. These are 32 though. Slice. Yeah, looks good. Apply. And then we're gonna move this into another tile palette. New. Outdoor objects. Create. Tile palettes. And then tile textures. We're gonna move that into here, and that will want me to put it in here then. Sprites, tiles, objects. Cool. Okay. Hey babe, love you. Why are you not working? Should be working. No, I love you. Hope everything is fine. Okay, now we have this outdoor objects and outdoor tiles. Go to scene. What if I go here and I press one of these and I can add them here? Okay, that will override that. But that, I know why that is. That is because we don't have the layers. Everything is not nothing. Great. Force plate wide. Nice. Okay. Nice. All right, let's save this. See what's happening now. Sometimes sprites are made up of multiple tiles. To select multiple tiles at once. Okay, I knew that. Yeah, it's not what we want. Working with multiple tile maps, sorting layers and stuff like that. We'll use multiple tiles and sorting layers. We're painting top of existing tiles. Instead, we're painting on this tile map. Click on the tile maps object in the hierarchy view and rename it layer ground. Okay, so this will be my layer. And then we're going to, what we're gonna do, create a new tile map, select the view, new tile map, rename it layer trees and rocks, layer object. I'll just call it layer objects. 2D object, tile map, layer object, layer objects. Funny thing is we don't have any trees in these assets I just got, but yeah, we'll figure that out. The tile map, use it to select our new layers, trees and rocks. Okay. Also here we can select on what layer we are rendering on. And I'm guessing if I go into the inspector, I have a sorting layer here. All right. Yeah, sorting layers. Before we can paint trees and rocks, we need to set up sorting layers and ensure the paint. Add sorting layer button in the tilemap render. Ground and objects. Okay, so sorting layer. Here, let's do ground. I think I'm getting the basics here. Ground and objects. Boom, very nice. Now we have 2 more sorting layers. And what is this? This is the collision layers, I'm pretty sure. All right, let's go back in the inspector. This will be my ground, and this will be my objects. And sorting layers are only for rendering, right? Yeah, they're rendering. And then we have other layer here for collisions and stuff. Okay. Okay. Nice. Square bracket keys to rotate selected tile before using it to paint. You can also rotate directly on the palette this way. Okay, so let's try rendering now. Let's see, grid, game. Why is that? Hold on. What? Sorting layers. Oh, hold on. There we go. There we go. Now, if I go to my tile palette and I say outdoor objects, and the layer is layer objects, I can paint an object on it. Nice. That's good to know. But I'm not going to use these. I'm going to use these. So I have a little rock here. Might have another rock here. Ooh, that's nice. It's on top of the grass too. Have a little flower here maybe. But this is going to be on the layer ground again. Here we go. Let's add a little bit. We want to use the noise thing for this, of course, but this looks nice. I like that. All right, we'll do a little bit and then we'll run it. Cool. Well, of course we won't see it because the camera isn't following the player yet. We'll get to that. Hey, what's going on, One Egg? How are you doing, man? Hope you're doing great. Thank you for joining, bro. Appreciate it. Use the square bracket keys to rotate. Okay, I don't know which the square bracket keys are. I mean, that's my... Can't be, right? No. What is that? To rotate? How would I rotate that on a European keyboard? Ooh, there we go. That's nice. I like that. Looks wrong, but I like that. At least the rocks and stuff you can rotate. But of course it looks wrong because, I mean, they're lit in a certain way. So I can't do that, basically. But these are fine. Like, these would be alright. But they're also lit in a certain way. This would have been, like, perfect for rotation, I guess. Okay, nice, nice, nice. We like that. Let's go to layer objects and let's paint a little wall here. Just something like that. I want to run it. And we can see the wall. Cool. Now, of course, we see something in between here, but we're going to fix that. We shall. Well, thank you. I'm doing good, man. I'm doing good. Thank you so much. Thanks for asking. Still doing fine here. Just working on. No corona, no sickness. Hope you guys are staying safe. It's not over yet, guys. Which key was it? Mexican keyboards also don't have square bracket keys. Okay, for me it was the one right next to the backslash, or no, the delete key almost. Let me, what do you call it? You know, the one above enter. What's that key called? Backspace, I think. The one right to the left of it. Can you change these things? Edit, preferences, shortcuts, edit. Shortcuts. Here you go. Okay, so you go to shortcuts. I mean, this was the key for me that did it, I think. This one. For some reason here the bracket keys are here. They don't exist for me. So yeah, it's kind of strange. It was set to another one. Of course, you can change this to like page up and down, I guess. 2D, like rotate tile or something. Terrain. 2D. It's probably here somewhere. You can look. Yeah, auto geometry, all that stuff. Yeah. Well. Yeah, write it on a search bar would have been smart. Thanks, bro. Hey there, what's going on? Ahmad Reza. I'm sorry, I can't say your name, bro. But welcome. Thank you for joining. Appreciate you joining, man. Hope you guys are doing great. Hope you're doing great. Hope you're looking forward to the weekend. Lots of weekend action going on. QWERTY. Okay, there we go. Now let's see what we can do. Add sorting layer button. Yeah, we wanted the characters first, objects after ground. Okay. Okay, yeah, sure. Camera doesn't follow the player. Right through the objects on the map, and lots of stuff going on. Tiers on the map as well. We're gonna address all these points in the chapter. We're gonna use colliders, Cinemachine camera as well. Like to focus. Okay, if you have multiple tilemap layers but would like to focus on just one, use the Tilemap Focus mode on the lower right. Oh, okay, nice. So here I can see this is the tile map, and then I can change it to ground and layer objects none. Okay, interesting. That's interesting. Good to know. If you have multiple tilemap layers but like to focus on only one. Okay. Let's tweak the Unity graphic settings that our pixel art looks as good as possible. Unity has an algorithm called anti-aliasing. I think this is off by default, but where do you turn it off? Edit, project settings, quality, graphics, no, quality, pixel light count. Anti-aliasing disable. That's good to do, actually. If you want the pixel art, you need to disable it. Yeah, we don't need anti-aliasing, actually. That's a good thing about 2D games. There was a grid painting option in the keys. Guess that's the one. Yeah, probably, yeah. It should be a rotation something, but probably that one. No worries. Alright, man. Cool. Are you doing good? You okay, man? I found your channel earlier today. I have been following the C++ and OpenGL tutorials. Cool, thank you. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. That's really nice. They're great. Damn, wow. It warms the heart, man. Thank you. Thank you so much. I hope you get anything you need out of that. And if you need help, we're all in the Discord. There's a Discord link in the description as well. Lots of cool people there. So you can write there and see if you need help. Otherwise, yeah, and then you have the source code as well on the GitHub. I hope you know that in case you get stuck, because OpenGL and stuff is easy to get stuck. If you do one little thing wrong, you're stuck for days. So yeah, just persevere, man. Stay strong. Awesome, man. Don't forget to come join. Yeah, don't forget to join the Discord if you want. You seem like a really cool person, man. I appreciate all your support here. Like, come and join on the stream and writing and checking out the videos and stuff. Yeah, really appreciate it, man. Cool, man. Enjoy. So turn off that. One thing that might come to haunt you later is that Unity puts colliders on entire grids to help performance. So you might want to put the walls on different grids. So a totally different grid for that. Will they still collide though if they're on the same layer, right? So whole another grid for that stuff. All right, and then you put that on the sorting layer. Okay, that's a good optimization thing. I'll just work with this right now, but eventually I'll remember that. I'm looking to make a voxel game in C++ and OpenGL. Okay, never done that before, actually. voxel games. That would be interesting. Are you following a book or just different videos like my videos and stuff? Because you'll get the basics from mine, but voxel is I haven't done that. Definitely a good point though. Maybe I'll get into that. The camera. 2D projects that use something called an orthographic camera. We're going to render projects both near and far, yeah, at the same size. The different sizes give illusion of distance and perspective. Unity project. So running 2D, very important to understand how the camera works in 2D or property size that determines how many vertical world units can fit into half the screen's height. World units are determined by PPU as units. So vertical resolution divided by PPU will give me the camera size. 640 pixels divided by 64 PPU. Okay. That's how they want to do it, but we don't have that resolution, do we? We have like a full-on resolution. Let's see what he puts it at. Okay, whole thing here on PPU. Let's go to game. Just plug plus sign to open the window where you can enter new resolution. Game. Display 1. Display 1. Type. Oh, here we go. New resolution. Label. HD 20x 1080. So full HD here. Fixed resolution, width, height, fine. Width, height, 1080. So there we go. That's an HD resolution. Cool. We have that selected. And then that would make my world camera size. Okay. Let's see if it changes the world camera size. Sorry guys. All I have is a main camera though with the size. So what did he say? PPU. Vertical resolution divided by PPU multiplied by scaling factor. Okay, that's interesting. So calculator 1080 divided by a PPU of 32, which I have. Okay. Multiplied by 0.5. 33 multiplied by 0.5. Come on. By 0.5. That is, I mean, that's basically divided by 2, right? 16. Damn, that's a big size. Why do I have this crap here? Sorry guys. Standard. Okay. 1080 divided by 32 by 0.5. Alright, that's huge. We don't want that. We still want like maybe 4. 6. Okay, well, that's cool. Voxel seemed like a pain. I kind of want to learn too, but I've been trying other stuff. Yeah, agree. But I think it's really nice once you get it, probably. But I've also always thought it's a pain. I'm not sure how to make it yet, but I'm starting with your tutorials. Cool, man. Thanks, bro. Appreciate it. Hey, Laszlo. Hey, Laszlo. How you doing, man? Olympic coverage and bugs. Solution, use Unity Pixel Perfect Camera 2D. Okay. Thanks, man. Yeah, I think he's going to go through that, actually. Thanks, bro. There's a super complete or seems tutorial for Unity on a channel called E3. Okay. The concept should be universal. Okay, thanks, man. I tried that out. Use scientific, not programmer. Okay. Thanks. Scientific. There we go. Ah, nice. Best to use Unity, but I currently use Monogame for my 2D stuff. Cool. Nice. Monogame is cool. It's with the camera until you add Cinemachine. It's gonna override everything. Okay, cool. Cinemachine then. I have Cinemachine. And yeah, I'm guessing it's gonna go through it now. Let me just make sure I press the play button and I can walk around. Okay, I can walk around. Nice. Okay. Good. Using Cinemachine. Cinemachine is a powerful suit Unity tool for visual game cameras. Sure. We installed it already. Yeah, Cinemachine. Yeah, there's Cinemachine. After installing some virtual cameras, go to Cinemachine menu and select the Create 2D Camera. Save that. Create 2D camera, not virtual camera yet. Or does this does create a virtual camera? Okay. Good to know. So 2 objects is Cinemachine brain. I don't see the brain though, but okay. And a virtual camera. Cinemachine document is a great analogy. A virtual camera can be thought of as a cameraman. Oh, so this controls the main camera, right? Yeah, okay. That's what you can see on the image. I'm now in the Discord. Welcome, bro. Thanks. Thank you. That's awesome. Hang out there, see what there is. There's a lot of different sections, a lot of different stuff, but yeah. Hey Hassan, hey bro, how you doing, man? Hope you're doing great. Thanks for joining. Okay. So this directs the main camera. Cinemachine brain is actually a link between the main camera and the virtual camera in scene. Okay. Can I move this camera? Hold on, where is it? Where is it? Oh god, what did I do? Okay, hold on. Where's my camera? Oof. It's like behind everything. So it's still an orthographic camera, so it doesn't really matter. As long as the Z coordinate is somewhere. Ooh la la, what did I do? Ooh, no. Okay, we're not gonna touch that too much. Let's make it 2D again. And let's select the camera. Now let's see if we can move the camera now. Okay, game. See, can I move the game onto us? Yeah, okay. Nice. I like this. This is cool. Hassan. Oh, first time someone pronounced my name perfectly. There you go, man. It's meant to be, bro. Welcome to the channel. Really appreciate you joining, man. It means a lot. I must go make dinner. Nice. Good luck, man. One egg. Thank you again, joining and stuff. If you see your main camera in the hierarchy has now the Cinemachine icon, it means that it is... Oh, that is the brain. That is the brain. So if I click it, Cinemachine brain, look at that. Big brain, bro. You have a big brain. You're absolutely intelligent. Double click your camera to focus in on it. Ooh. Ooh, nice. Thanks, bro. Appreciate that. So this camera, now its transform is like to hell somewhere, but that's fine. Follow. Oh, so okay, so now we're gonna follow. This tells the okay. The Cinematic Brain is actual link between main characters. Select the virtual camera and drag the player object into the property called follow. Property called follow. Okay, awesome. So this tells the Cinemachine virtual camera to follow and track the transform component of the player game object as she moves across the map, or it's a he in our case. Anyway, press play and watch the camera follow the player around. Pretty neat. Watch Cinemachine get some pretty sophisticated camera behaviors. Nice. Set the ground layer. Let's select the ground layer tilemap object from the project. Deactivate and then render layer ground. Scene should resemble figure. Uh-huh. Why do I have to do that? Hold on. Hold on. Okay. But it's supposed to be red, right? All this stuff. Let's just see if... Ooh, that's cool. I like that. I like that. But I guess to make the game bigger here. Ooh, I like that. That's cool. So it has some kind of a thing. Well, I did like this better actually. There we go. It has some stuff like that you can. This is the camera size. If I press that. Oh, there we go. I know you can change this. I read about that. I want to change it. God damn it. Oh, there we go. Okay. Cool. So that is the dead zone, I think. And this is where, this is the red zone. Where if we get out there, it will just do 1-to-1. And then we don't want a lot of dead zone actually. I mean, and dead zones aren't cool. There we go. Was there something called a body? Here we go. Damping. Okay, there's lots of damping here. Ooh, nice, nice. Okay, there you go, guys. You can move those on the brain. Interesting. I usually just write a quick script to make the camera follow the player. Oh, okay. So yeah, you just set the camera position, right? But I think Cinemachine is. But you went through Cinemachine, right, Shadow? You can move those on the brain. Look ahead is pretty useful. Look ahead, time. What is that? Ooh. Oh, so that's actually what? What is that? What is that? Ooh. Ooh. Oh, that's awesome. Okay, yeah, we gotta smooth that out, but I think that's because of the floats, like someone said. Okay, so look ahead is kind of like... Oh. Interesting, I like that. Look ahead is cool. And then damping is for the rest, right? So what if I do a lot of damping? That will slow it down, I guess, to how much it follows. Oh, that is a nice look. I like that it's a little slower, but it kind of disorients you. Yeah. Kind of does. Okay, sorry, I'm playing too much with this stuff, but it's pretty fun. Let's put it to 1. There we go. Okay. Alright. Alright. A virtual camera. Let's go to our scene. No, what is that? What? Why can't I move my cameras? Excuse me? Is that something you can't do? Come on, man. I could, but did I lock it or something? Do you know what's going on? Why can't I move my camera? It's not it. Come on, bro. What is this? What is that? Oh, Cinemachine's gonna override it? Yeah. Still, I mean, I should be able to just move the actual camera object, right? Strange. I don't know what's going on. Maybe it's a bug. Maybe it's buggy. Oh, what did I do now? It's red now. 2D. Oh, this is the layer ground. Okay. Oh, oh, it's attached to the player object. That's why. I'm so smart, guys. I'm so smart. Okay, virtual camera. It's attached to the player object. Okay, good to know. Good to know. But what if I don't want to? What if I want to move it in the attachment? Like, it doesn't seem to be centered. You see? I mean, I guess that's the center of the player. It's like not really centered. Interesting. Player transform. So that's the player. So when I move the player, of course. There's no offset. Strange. In the brain are all the things you might wanna. Okay, brain. Oh, the frustrum? Okay, yeah, that's good to show actually. Interesting though. There's no real offset here. Whatever. I guess it looks fine. We'll have to resolve that somehow. I mean, this is like strange. But maybe we'll get to that. Let's see. The tracking point can move and the camera won't move to follow. When the tracking point moves outside the dead zone. Well, that is in the center though. I guess it's this zone or something. Why? Oh, there we go. I guess that's centered, is it? That's good. 0.5. And then we'll do 8 here as well. Cool. Nice. body. Okay, and we can set the damping in the body. In the brain, I think it's the bias you're looking for. Sorry, the bias was in the virtual camera. No problem, man. Bias. Here, bias X and Y. Oh, okay. Oh, nice. Thanks, man. All right. So I think we figured it out. Cool. I'll remember that bias thing. Dragon point on camera won't move to follow. Dragon point moves outside of the dead zone. Blue area, the camera will move and begin to track. Cinemachine will add a bit of damping. Cool. Edge of the white box. Make sure the game is drag it out a bit. If you look at the Cinemachine virtual camera command, you see our body. Yeah, I saw that. Cool. Nice. Stop play and select the layer ground on the timer again. Check the box off the timer render and make sure the layer is visible again. Oh, okay, we never did that. Cinemachine confiner. Okay. So we want to make sure the camera doesn't move outside the edge of the screen, so the edge of the world basically. Oh, this would be tough on a, I mean on a open world game. Or I guess not, you could just make a really big box. Okay. East. Or you can create an empty object, attach it to the player and have the camera follow that. Oh, okay. You could do as well, but that's like that's, what do you call it? You could do that with the main camera, right? I mean, without Cinemachine, I guess. Like a, is that what you mean? Oh, but or you mean like an empty object at some position, because they always have transforms, right? And then you connect Cinemachine to that. That could be cool. But yeah, I guess this worked. This is a pretty good tool. Viewport. So now we're gonna limit the player to the screen. The Cinemachine confiner. Let's add a Cinemachine confiner. Confiner. What is that? Cinemachine. Where do you do that? Is that on the main camera? Okay. Select the virtual camera, add in the inspector next to add extension, select Cinemachine confiner. Next to add extension, Cinemachine confiner. All right. Polygon. Determine where the edges of the confinement begin. Select the layer ground object. Okay. We have to add components button. Click. Add a Polygon Collider. If you want to do Zelda-like transitions where camera moves to a new scene when you enter a new area, you can add the confiner. Oh, okay, all right, nice, man. Cool, you're about to say that. Polygon Collider 2D. Hit the collider so that it surrounds the edges of the ground. How do you remove? Remove the edges of the component. Select the layer ground up via the component. Click edit collider button on the collider component. Edit the collider so that it surrounds the edges. To match the outline. Okay. I would like to remove that. I mean, I want to remove this point. How do you remove that point? Points, path, size, 1 element. Why do they want a Polygon Collider? It sucks. How do you remove a point here? Do you know that? I would like to alt click that. I don't know what that does. Ooh, that added a new point. Whoops. Control click. Uh-huh. Ooh, nice. Okay, okay. Change your size from 5 to 4. Oh, that's the size. Ah, I'm so dumb. Thanks, bro. Is there any way to snap this as well to grid? I mean, I would like to snap. Oh, oops. 4. There we go. I want to snap this to grid. Snappity snap. My own little teacher Ravenant. Thank you. Thanks for all the help. I don't know if I said thank you before, but I really appreciate it. This arrow reminds you to have a little bit of space between client and the edge of the map. Okay. Sure. Check the is trigger property. Is trigger. If we didn't, the player would forcefully be pushed out of the collider when the player's collider and the tilemap collider interacted. Oh, okay. Two objects with colliders can occupy the same space, unless one is used as a trigger. Oh, so the trigger only like triggers when the edges collide or something? I think pressing either the shift or control moves on the increments, maybe. Yeah, I thought so too, man. I don't know why it's not snapping. Oh, damn it. Damn it. I was thinking it was shift as well. Doesn't seem to be that way, strangely enough. You know, I'm not gonna bother too much with this. I'm gonna basically just put it like that. Kind of edge perfect, not too perfect. We'll do it like that. Hey, what's up, Rural Vent? How you doing, bro? How are you, man? Good to see you again. It was a while ago. If you enter or exit. Okay, nice. Okay, so it triggers when you enter or exit. So I'm entered, didn't trigger. When I exit it, it will trigger. Nice. Awesome, bro. Thank you. Look at all you guys, man. What are you doing in a tutorial? You guys should be making your game. You know so much already. We then the player would I don't occupy the same space. Select the drag later. Okay, fine. Bounding shape 2D in the virtual camera. In the bounding shape 2D. Layer grounds Polygon Collider. So if I move my dude over here, yeah, the camera doesn't move outside. Wow, that actually happens like real time. That's sick, dudes. That is insane. So once I get to this point, it doesn't move anymore. Wow, that is pretty amazing. That is pretty amazing. I like that. That is really cool. Ever got into backend stuff, I wonder? You mean like game engine though? Kind of. I mean, my job is kind of being backend developer. But in games, yeah, we do make engines and stuff, right? I mean, isn't that backend? Isn't that considered backend? Don't know about the others, but I barely use 2D, so I'm actually learning a few things here. Okay, nice, man. I'm glad. I'm glad. I really like this content in this book. I mean, this is a great book, and it really goes through everything. Shadow got me or he suggested a good tutorial as well on 2D on Udemy. I think it was. It's pretty good Udemy course. Definitely worth checking out some Udemy courses on this. Confiner, okay. Point the edge of the palm. See the players walk far. Okay. Add a Cinemachine Confiner extension. Create a Polygon Collider. Use the Polygon Collider as the bounding shape field Cinemachine Confiner. Allowing the player to continue walking is a common effect you probably seen. There's a note that using Confiner won't prevent the player from walking off the map, just the camera from tracking them. We'll set up the logic soon to keep the player from walking off the map. Stabilization. As you walk the player around the map, you may notice a slight jittering effect. Start walking virtual camera, damping slowly brings the tracking to a halt. To overly precise camera coordinates. The camera is tracking the player but moving sub-pixel positions. Force the final Cinemachine virtual camera position stay within the pixel boundaries. We're going to strip. We'll grab the last coordinates in the Cinemachine virtual camera around them. Lines up with our PPU. Okay, round camera pause in a new script. I was urging to get going with more scripts. Create C# script. Round camera pause. Sure. We're going to I don't know. I mean, like socket. Oh, REST APIs and stuff. Okay. No, I haven't. Not that much. I did use like SFML's network stuff. That was pretty cool. I mean, but nothing more than that when it comes to that. Make online Tetris games, for example, with sockets. Nice, man. I would love to see that. Hey, what's going on, Wesker? My man. Nice to see you here. Thanks, bro. Thanks for joining. Do you think it's worth the hustle to learn Unity all of these new paywall features? Are there any? Yeah, I was thinking Unity is pretty like open, right? At least that's the impression I got. Yeah. Shadow, have you heard about that as well? Paywall features? Interesting. I haven't noticed anything yet. Obviously, I'm not really into this right now, but I think like a lot of things like these shader workflows or whatever you call them, they're free, right? I mean, you can make really cool effects for free, right? Or do you have to buy a bunch of stuff too? Unity launch Mars behind a paywall. Okay. So all new stuff is like behind a paywall? Do you have to buy the Unity package? What do you call it? The professional one or the enterprise one or whatever? To get all the stuff? Everything new is behind paywall. Damn, I didn't know that, bro. I think it's still worth it, I guess, if you want to make games. I mean, how much can it cost for an indie dev? It's not too expensive, I guess, but still sad. But they put a lot of work into this. They do, so it's hard like to not take money for stuff. But yeah, it's sad if it's paywalled. You have to buy the professional and also the paywall content. What? That's crazy. What? That's insane. What? You serious? That sucks. You mean PayPal? No, I think it means like stuff you gotta pay to get like lots of cool content. Or maybe that was a joke. Mr. PhD. No. As far as paywall, I only know of Mars. Okay. Means content behind the payment. Yeah. So you gotta buy that stuff. It's not free. So dudes, can you explain Mars to me? What is that? Anyone have the energy to explain that to me? Is that like the next release? Is that what they're calling it? Mars? Everything else is fine, free. Okay. I mean, it's enough free stuff here, I guess, for us to work with. Suppose, okay, we'll add this in. Let's see. Yeah, with that exception, everything I do has been free. Oh, okay. Mars, it's a VR feature. Okay. Okay, so the VR stuff. Okay. I guess that doesn't matter too much for like 2D devs, right? I'm guessing. I mean, VR. But okay. The Mars, I know, is a planet. I'm pretty sure Mars, the planet, is behind a paywall as well. But the Unity part is definitely... Man, you guys crack me up. What would I do without you guys? Let's see if we can get this script working. Visual Studio. I'm gonna open it. Visual Code. Visual Studio Code. Yes, there we go. Well, if you're not making a game for a financial gain, everything is free until you want to do that. Oh, and then you have to pay for it and all that stuff. Okay. They just bought the Bolt add-on from a third party and released it for free. Okay. Bolt add-on. What does that do? I'm sorry, guys. I'm asking you guys a lot of questions here. But this is very interesting. I like this. This is really interesting. I learned more from streaming with you guys than in going to school, honestly. Tapping the following reference to following comments with better understanding. This is certainly one of the more advanced scripts you'll be writing if you have a game look at. Okay. Advanced. Yes. Okay. Using Unity engine. Using. What? I don't like that. I don't want that. Using Cine Machine. Okay, I do like that though. That is nice. Using Cine Machine. Oh, look at this. This is cool. I like that. Bolt is visual scripting. Okay. Okay, Bichido, yeah. You guys are like on it when it comes to Unity. You're like, I know I'm gonna help him out like super fast. Thanks, guys. It's been doing good and bad things. The paywall content had so much bad rep. We had to do something in exchange. Okay. Bolt. Can I do that? Can I get it? Bolt? Or is it already included? No, don't touch it. Scriptable build pipeline. It's better to have a teacher when learning, like us having you as ours. I'm as much the student as I am the teacher, my man. Right now. This is like top-notch studentry. All you guys are just teaching me so much stuff. Man, I would like to visually script. That's like blueprints, right? Right, Shadow? In Unreal? I would love that blueprint style thing here. Okay, using Synergy class, public class round camera post Cinemachine extension. Ooh, we're making a Cinemachine extension now. This is not a mono behavior anymore. Cool. Excuse me. Excuse me. Using Cinemachine. Okay, we're probably gonna get to fixing this. Public float pixels per unit. Equal 32. Visual scripting sucks. I'd rather write code any day, yeah, man. I mean, you're like hardcore like that. You're all down to the basics. But that's good, man. you spend so much time on that Unreal blueprint thing and the coding part. But that shows you character, man. You're strong. I like coding too. I do like coding more actually. But it would be fun to play around with that. Teachers, it's soothing, the music. Nice, man. Good thing you like it. Never tried Bolt, but I think since it was on the asset store and they bought it, it might be still there for free. Okay. Dark UI theme hidden behind paywall. What? Are you serious? That's insane. Okay, we're gonna have to do that. All right. Anyway, public override. Oh, here it is. Okay. Damn, this is a complicated function right here. Protected override. I need to just move this out the way, guys. I'm sorry. I'm like totally in. It's in my face constantly. Okay. Another try. Dark UI theme behind paywall. Unity launch Mars behind a $50 a month paywall. What? Oh man, but what was the original question? Is it still worth learning? I guess for like the basic part here, I guess it is. If you're not gonna use all that crap. And probably they're gonna keep a lot of the stuff free anyway. I think it seems to be that way, but if not, just move to Unreal Engine. Working with an engine, I think it's still good because Unreal and Unity, they're not similar, but you still get experience in working with an engine, right? So if you jump into Unreal, you might still get a few things from Unity. You might feel like you have some experience there. I'm just guessing. Protected override void. So we're gonna override a function which this is complaining about. Post pipeline stage callback. Post pipeline. Holy crap, that actually did it on its own. What happened? Ref? Why would you do ref? Good lord, this is so weird. Oh god, what just happened? I think that looks better. I don't know. I don't know, we'll stick to that. Okay, is that what he wants? Virtual camera base vcam, yes. Cinemachine core.stage stage. Ref camera state. What is a ref? Excuse me? Ref? A reference in C#? Everything's a reference. That's strange. Gotta love IntelliSense. Confuse the hell out of me, man. Unreal API is hard. Yeah. N business. What's going on, my man? N business. How are you doing? Good to see you here, man. Thank you for joining. Hope you're doing good. There is another few stuff, but I can't search everything. No, you can't search everything, man. That wouldn't be fair to you. Searching everything. Don't quote me on this since I don't use VR exam, but Unity still has a very robust VR exam platform by default, so Mars might be redundant. Okay, I'm not gonna quote you on that, but maybe. It's a few things I've noticed in the Unity that are pretty good out of the box. Okay, good guys. Now, what are you doing here? Float delta time? What? Okay, if stage equal cinemachine core dot body dot stage dot body. God, this is so weird. I need to learn this. If it is, then we're gonna do final position. Okay, vector 3 final position. No, posts equals state. What? State dot final position. So this is our position. And then we're gonna create another vector 3, which is post2. Oh man, let me see what you guys are talking about. Gotta take a pause from this. Camera state is probably a struct, would be by value, in that case without ref. Oh, Edward, my man. Hello, Edward, nice to see you here, man. So nice to see you here. Thanks for joining. So, okay, so then it would be, if it's a struct, then you need to send it as a reference. Okay, that's interesting. I need to think of that in my other projects, because I never knew you could do that. I guess I should go read up on C# first. Post2, what is this telling me to do? So post2, okay, this is the rounded. Okay, hold on. Rounds the final position to rounds the final position. Okay, gets the final camera position, rounds the final camera position, and this will be a new vector 3. Hold on. Can't you just round the entire vector? Or the entire... Yeah. Vector should have a round function, I think. Anyway. Round. Post.x. Let's copy this. Is there a round? Why is that not working? Post.z. Oh my god. Fat fingering all day. What? Round? Excuse me? Oh, are we gonna make the float round? Okay, we're gonna make the function round. Man, you guys are amazing. In C#, unlike C++, struct and class means different things. Okay, yeah. Okay. Unlike C++, struct and class means different things. Okay, so in C++, basically a struct is a class, right? I mean, basically like a class light or something. But in C#, it's totally different, right? Don't think so, since that was on the code snippet. Okay. Interesting. Unity math class. Okay, there should be a Unity math class. Is there a using math? No. Okay, never mind. You know what? Never mind. We gotta, in this tutorial, it says to create our own little float round here. Float round. Float x math f dot math f for floats round, so we can round x multiplied by pixels per unit. Ooh, this is gonna hurt because we don't have a consistency here. Pixels per unit. So this is gonna multiply it with pixels per unit and divide it by pixels per unit. That is a float, right? Pixels per unit, yeah. Okay, so it rounds it. Oh, okay, and the explanation for the earlier code. All right, I'll check that. Yeah, in C++, struct and class are the same, but in C# struct is a value type and class as a reference type. Okay. I guess you gotta read up on C# to know that. Good job, man. Thank you. Appreciate that. You're absolutely amazing for helping me out. That is crazy. I need to remember these things. So many things, guys. Oof. But I guess a good C# base when you're working with Unity is a good thing. It's system.math. Okay, that's for the regular stuff, right? System.math. Round. Okay, but math f is like a math library for just floats basically. Interesting. Is that a part of C# or Unity, I wonder? Oh. Cool, guys. Okay, so we have a pixel per unit here, and that's what's going. So using importing Cinematic, find camera position. Components that hook into Cinemachine's processing pipeline must inherit from Cinemachine extension. Pixels per unit or PPU, as we discussed earlier, we talked about the camera. We're displaying 32 pixels in the world unit, and I hope that's a public one, so we can change it from outside. Yes. Post-pipeline stage callback. This method is required by all classes that inherit from Cinemachine extension. It's called by Cinemachine after the confiner is done processing. Okay. Virtual camera has a post-processing pipeline consisting of several stages. We perform this check to see what stage of the camera's post-processing we're in. If we're in the body stage, then we're permitted to set the virtual camera's position in space. Okay. Final post state, final post retrieve the virtuals. Yeah, okay. Call the rounding method, yeah, that we created. Fine. State position correction. Wait, we never did that. We never did the state position correction. Sorry, guys. State position correction. State dot position correction. Pos2 minus pos. Pos2 minus pos. Okay, let's see what that's all about. Position correction. Set the VC's new virtual camera's new position to the difference between the old position and the new rounded position that we just calculated. A method that rounds the input value. We use this method to make sure the camera always stays on pixel. Okay. 9. Where's 9? Round. So hold on. That is in the stage body. So it removes the rounded value from the decimals and all that. Okay, cool. Unity. Math F is a Unity, Math is C#. Okay, nice. Math is C#, Math F is Unity. Thanks, bro. It's getting semi-replaced with Unity Mathematics. They plan to leave it there, but Mathematics is apparently more deterministic and performance. Okay, cool. Cool. So I gotta remember that that's coming then. You forgot round for Z maybe? It didn't tell me to do it for Z, so I don't know. I guess it's the 2D camera, so it doesn't really matter. Yeah, that is really interesting. That's true. Don't know if it's too new and I barely checked it out. Documentation is still super empty. My grammar today. That's cool, man. Your grammar, you're writing a lot. Today is a big day for you, writing to me so much, teaching me so many things. All I can say is thanks. Okay, so fine. Now we have method make sure camera always decision. But I want to place it on it, right? Do you place it? Stay with that. So we're going to script a simple extension component that will add to the Cinemachine virtual camera. Extension component will grab the last coordinates of the Cinemachine virtual camera and route them to the certainly one or more advanced scripts. Okay, but we're supposed to add it to the thing, right? I mean, if I go back, it worked. And we're supposed to add it to the VCam, right? Right. Like that. Okay. Will it still be jittering? It's jittering more now than before. I'd say. Yeah, it's jittering more now. Main camera. Oh, that's because I never... Hold on. Where's the VCam? Where's the damn size of this? It's being overridden. Man, there's so many things, dudes. Orthographic size. 3.75. That's way too small. That's way too small. What was it? Hold on. What was it? Sorry, guys. 1080 divided by 60 or 32 is my pixel per unit. Multiply by 0.5. 16.875. Let's divide that by 2. 8.4. Hold on. 143. What happens if I do that? Okay, now it stopped jittering. Okay, so we have to have that pixel perfect type thing. Isometric games in the future? Yeah, might be, bro. That would be fun. That would be fun. And then divide that by 2 further, 4.2. I don't know if I want to do 4.2 actually. But I want it to have a nice... That is a weird number. It's a little too small, I think, for a camera, right? I mean, you basically just see the player. That's not a good thing. Let's do this. 1080 divided by 32 divided by 3 or 0.5. 5.625. I think that's better. Yeah, that's a little better. So jittery and stuff. I don't really mind. I don't really mind. That is fine. That is very fine. Did I add it to round camera position? No, we should have it 32. Sorry, 32. Oh, now it's like nice. Now it's not jittering too much. What did you say? And the should kill the jitter and the pixel perfect. I think there's a way to get it to work on Cinemachine. Okay. And the pixel perfect camera should kill the jitter. Nice. Okay, we'll gotta check that out then. Pixel perfect camera. I'll remember that actually. I'll see. I just want to move on in this though. But definitely materials is the next thing. Oh, it's 8 o'clock already. Damn it. Damn it. The tiles is because they're on snapping pixel perfect location. To fix this, we're going to use something called material to tell Unity how we want sprites rendered. Create a new folder called materials. Ensure pixel snap is checked. Okay. It's good to know. Well, let me see. Package manager. Pixel. 2D pixel perfect. Oh, this is already here? Okay. Video. Interesting. Okay, there's a lot of stuff here. I don't see that pixel perfect thing. Oh, script need to attach the main cam. Huh? Okay. Need some scripting for that. Okay, all right. We'll get to that then. That's good to know that there is though. Oh. Let's create a little materials folder here. Assets, create folder. materials. So what are materials? Like the player on the map, you may notice some lines here. It's called material to tell Unity how we want our sprites rendered. Not sure how. Okay, that's cool, man. You helped me a lot. We'll see. There's probably some Google stuff on that. I can check. Create new full materials and then right click create material. Material. Okay, material. Sprite 2D. Set the properties on material as follows. Rendering mode. Shader, sprites default. Excuse me? Shader. I think shader is just standard. I mean standard shader. I guess that's what they're trying to say. Yeah, pixel snap is checked. Excuse me? Sprite 2D. Tint, rendering mode. Excuse me? Why is this so different from what? Did I do that right? Okay. Materials, create material. I did do that, right? Create material. Is there a 2D material or something? I did the right thing. Pretty sure. It doesn't have a pixel snap to it. I think this is like updated. Standard. Emission. Ooh, cool. I guess there is no pixel snap. This looks like a 3D material. Yeah, right? I mean, there doesn't seem to be any like thing where you can check physics material 2D. I mean, on the other hand, if I go to my player object, and first of all, I'm going to save this, apply all. If I go to my sprite renderer and I see the material here, I can select between all of the 3D ones. So they might be the same. Sprite 2D, sprites default, sprite 2D. Yeah, but this looks so different. I mean, Unity built an extra, okay. Yeah, look at that. That looks weird. That looks weird. Cut out. Transparent. Inspector. Tilemap renderer. Material sprite 2D. I'm gonna have to guess here. I mean, they haven't really done anything. Smoothness. I don't know what all this is. None of that. Huh. Well, we're gonna have to try it out. Okay, that darkens it. That's interesting. Do this while your timeline and then press the play button. Tears should have disappeared. Okay, interesting. No, that doesn't work for me. Try physical material. Okay, I gotta try that. Hey, what's going on? Your dude BK. How you doing, bro? Okay. What is that though? I want to open this. I mean, I can't. Tint. Pick. Oh, look at this. This is like a. This is what I'm looking for. Sprites default. What is this? Material property block is used to modify these values. I want that. Not whatever this is. Not this. Delete. Shader, Unity, 2D renderer, sprite graph, ray tracing. Ooh, ray tracing shader, damn. Playables, what did you say? 2D physics material. Oh, that's physics material. I think that's different. Okay, hold on. There's got to be something. Terrain layer, Cinemachine, sprite shape, profile, sprites, square, render material, audio mixer rendering. My God, there has to be something. Material. Look at this. This is so weird. Material. This does not seem. Let's see. Standard. Legacy shaders. Oh, okay. This is how you change it. So 2D. Sprite lit default. Damn it. Sprites. Oh, sprites default. Oh, okay. Pixel snap. There you go. Oof. I'm nice, man. Good to hear. You dude BK. Good to hear you're doing good. Rabbit. Now, physics material was for the rigid body. Just remembered. Okay. Wait. In the description it says you have your own game engine. Yeah, I was working on one before. I forgot to update it, but we were working on a Lua C++ game engine. But it's nothing like this. This is just Unity. I see sprite just now and drop down. There you go. Yeah, thanks, bro. But I missed that. How did you create it? Okay, so what I did, man, was I created a new material just like before, and then I went to the shader and I went down to sprites and then default. But in the book, it says like it tells me that there is a sprite / default shader or yeah, shader, but it doesn't exist. You have to go into sprites first and then click default. But I guess maybe it's a definition thing. But now it should not bug out. Let's go here. Sprites default. Let's do our, what did we call it? Sprite 2D. Sprite 2D. Pixel snap. Tint straight up black on this. I mean, this is like, oh, that doesn't look good though. I mean, that doesn't look like it's pixel snapping, to be honest. I mean, what is that? Look at that. That doesn't look right. Well, okay. I mean, I guess, but I didn't have any issues before, so I don't know if you guys are seeing any issues here, but honestly, I am not. I want to check out your other videos, but I don't want to leave the stream. That's cool, man. Thanks. You can check them out. I gotta end soon anyway, in a little bit. I've been streaming for like more than 2 hours. I just wanted to complete this. But thanks, man. Appreciate you sticking around. Means a lot, man. Thanks for joining. Let's see. Okay, I added that. Let's add it to this as well. Sprites 2D. And let's add it to this one as well. Sprite 2D. Overrides. Apply all. Overrides. Apply all. Great. Great, guys. Great. What is that? I don't know what that is. Oh, no. No, no, no. Do not move. Why would I move this? That is so weird. I would never want to move that. No, 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 no. I guess I could. Nah, no, I don't want to play around with that. Anyway. Good. Let me just see if it works. Working fine. But it makes it feel like it's less FPS. You know what I mean? Having this thing on the main this camera here, that makes it feel like it's like less FPS because it's snapping. This doesn't have that smooth like this. This is smooth. I like this. This is nice. This is smooth. You know, we'll keep this. I don't want that other crap. I don't know what it's doing, but it's doing something. This is nice. Nice, man. What are you guys gonna do? You guys got any plans for the weekend? I need to know this. Player can now go walk through everything on time. I remember how I added the box collider to the player wagon in the Japanese component called. Okay. Cool. I think we're gonna pause there with the Unity. We've been working on Unity for a long time now. An incredibly long time. We have done a lot. I want to just recap. We have installed Visual Studio Code. We have installed the packages for this, made it look nice. We have added the tile map stuff so we can make a tile map. So if I go into tile palette, layer ground, I can add a bunch of nice stuff here. Add a little area here. And like that or something. And then I could technically go to layer objects and I could do this. Technically above it, yeah. And then I can add a few more things. I can add that there. No, layer ground. Like that. I love to do that noise thing. I don't know how to do it, otherwise I'd done it. And then I have a wall which doesn't really look too nice because it doesn't have any edges. But I guess we could do it. Do it like that. Like that. I mean, it would have been nice with some edges. How do I code that? Layer objects. Okay. So there's no collision with anything, any walls or anything yet. But that's cool. Yeah, I gotta fix that. Okay. We've come pretty far, guys. Yep. I'm starting coding school in a few days. Nice, man. See ya, bro. See ya, Revenant. What coding school is that, man? Is it like a special school for coders? It's pretty cool. Or is it like a course? That would be nice to know. I want to try something before I end. I'm sorry, guys. I need to try something. Material. Let's do the tint. Let's tint it to basically black. And then let's add a light. Point light. Where did I add that? Did I add a light? What? What? Point light. Okay, so that is a point light. 2D. Where's my damn? Where's the damn thing? Good Lord, have mercy. Excuse me? What is happening? Where is my world? Oh, this 3D is so annoying. What is that? No. Okay, but that should work, right? I mean, that looks like I just went through the entire thing. And this thing is so... This is crazy. Hold on. Okay. Let's have it like that. And something weird. What if I select my tile map? Z is 0. This like -10. Damn. I want to go minus... Oh, just put it at 0 as well. And put the enemy at 0 as well. Game. Okay, good. Scene. Okay. I have the light object, which I don't know. Here we go. I'm guessing it's going through. Yes, it is. It's colliding with the world. Good. I don't know what the school is. Oh, okay, interesting. Cool, man. Hopefully you go well for you. Culling mask everything. Render mode auto. But how come this? From shader. Rendering queue. Pixel snap. Nah. Excuse me? This is the tint. Okay. I mean, that is interesting. Okay. This is the light. But how do you make the light actually work? Delete. Level 1. Save that. Add a new 2D object. Add a new light. This is interesting. Light. Okay, let's do this. No, hold on. Point light again. Let's see, let's take the point light over here. Let's put the Z to 0. So that will put it where it should be, I'm pretty sure. Now let's try to change the shader though. Maybe that's the shaders thingy or the material. Sprite 2D. Default diffuse. That should work with this though. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Default diffuse. Well, that does work. 2D. So if I put everything else on that, but what's the difference then? I mean, I would love for this to work. Sprites diffuse. Ooh, I think that's it. Yeah, I think that's it. So it's colliding with the, or it's acting with the light. So if I put that as well to sprite diffuse, sprite 2D. Okay, no, that's working now. Okay, layer ground. Close. Sorry. I think the cinema cam for making cutscenes, not for moving player in the world. Interesting. Yeah, maybe. I guess. No, hold on. This has to be. Damn it. Materials. Default diffuse. And then we'll go to the light. Like the light. And we will set the light's intensity to 2. And we will set the range to 50. We'll set it to 1 actually. It'll be a little more diffuse. And we'll run this. Oh, that looks nice. Oh, I like that. I like that. Shadow type, hard shadows. Okay, but that won't work just yet. You need to do a shadow caster on the other ones. Render mode. I'm basically remaking the whole thing. This is nice. Where's the light? Point light. And then how there was a rotation. Okay, ooh, you can change a bunch of stuff. You can change the rotation, size, position. Okay. That's what's good with the other one, where you can, I saw some video on that. You could like go crazy with it. Point light. Okay, so how would you get the point light? So you could get a game object called point light and have it follow the player, or you can attach this to the player, right? As a component. Could you? Would it follow the player then? It does follow the player. Wow, that is crazy. Look at that, guys. That looks pretty nice. Cool, you have a little bit of an effect there. Nice, okay. So that's attached to the player object as a, okay, it's not as a component really. More as a light. Okay, interesting. You can delete that. We're just experimenting away, guys. I use the main camera with a smooth player follow script. Cool, man. Okay, I guess this book is a little different on that then. Sprite 2D. Can I tint this? No, this is the tint. So I have some ambient going on in the default shader. And I guess we could change that to something. This is like a very weird ambient. We do not like that. We do not like that. Let's add a light to the player. Let me just do this before I have to go. Light. Light. Ooh, look at this. Here you have all the cool stuff that the light should have. How do you get that? How do you get that? Hold on, light. Is this the player object? Yeah, this is the player object. Okay. So this is the light range. Intensity. Sprites diffuse. Sprites diffuse. Sprite 2D. Sprite 2D. Is it on Sprite 2D? Yes. Can I save that? But why is this light? Where is the light transform then? Is that why? No, it's pretty good. No, it's not. It's not. Hold on. Damn it. It follows the player's transform. We don't want that. We want it to have its own transform. So I think it's better to create and attach it than to do this. I don't think you can offset it like that unless you script it. Culling mask. Cookie, is that something? Type point. Ooh, cool. All right, I guess it's better to remove it then. Remove component. I think this bugged out. I think this has officially bugged out. Oh, there we go. Remove component. There we go. Let's add the player. Cool. Light. Point light. Z at 0. Minus 5. Minus 2. Light range 40. Good. Okay, so once we have that point light, we'll put it into player and run it, and it will follow the player. Cool. What's going on, demolitionists? How you doing? Hey Andrew, what's going on, guys? Hope you're doing great. One object, one transform. Okay, interesting. So you can only have a transform if you have a game object. Okay, good to know. So that means that when I place it into the player object, that means it will take on its transform, right? Or at least that whatever it was, and then will be offset from that, right? Probably. I mean, here is the offset stuff. Let's put it to 0. And can I save this as a blueprint? Apply all. So anytime if I remove player object and I go to prefab, place it, it will actually place the player object with the point light. Okay, but it placed my player, oopsie daisy, placed my player object at a weird -10. 0. Can you save this? I mean, can I save? I want to attach it because I don't want it to bug the hell out. There we go. Can I save the positioning? Like when I do override, apply, why can I not override this? Why can I not save the transform of course, obviously you can't save it. I guess you can't save the transform, but excuse me? Why did that not work? Whatever, I don't care. Make a sub game object with attached light prefab thing. Make a sub game object with attached light. Just like I did, right? Ooh, but now it's like pixel perfect camera, but it's not doing all that stuff. Okay, I can't do that then. No. Yes. I wanna, actually I don't want that there, my bad. I shouldn't have done that. Hold on. Can you go out? There we go. Okay. That's good. That's better. Okay, CV cam. And then body. Follow player object. Follow. My bad. Okay, now we're back like it was. Okay, that's good. All right, guys, that's good. All right, I went over a little bit from what I was supposed to. I have so much other stuff to do, but this was fun. It was so fun hanging with you guys. You guys are absolutely amazing. I'm so happy you guys came in, and I hope you're doing great. I hope you all working hard, learning stuff. There's a lot of things we went through today. This last part was just experimentation. I might remove all this for the next one. I just wanted to see if lights worked. I'm pretty sure when we do the other universal RP rendering pipeline, that thing, then we can do a lot of more cool lighting and stuff like that. But yeah, we'll check it out. Hopefully you guys will join on the next one. All right, I don't know when the next one will be. It might be tomorrow or the day after, but I'm gonna try to do one soon because I have the weekend free. So and then you got to do more stuff. So yeah, you got to take all the free time you have. But I really appreciate you guys' company, and you're absolutely amazing. You're all really great people. Thank you for joining. Stay safe. All right, keep learning. Drop me a comment and drop a like, sub if you want as well. Also check out the Discord. There's a bunch of stuff on the Discord that you guys can check out. And yeah, take care. It's cool chilling with you guys. Take it easy. All right, I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye bye.